Hello everybody. Here we have such a set of Locksmith tools, specifically double-sided self-impressions. We've updated the design slightly, making it more readable. All tools are double-sided except for two positions, Mauer 4+4 and Metem 5+5. This cannot be made double-sided. A complete set of matching pins, standard thickness, suitable for almost everything. Thinner pins are also available for cam, border and Mauer locks. Tools can be used in various ways, as a standard Locksmith impression magic key or as assembling key. You can assemble a key from the matching pins into a double-sided key and use it as a key. Well, it's up to you. The price for the set you can find on our website.